Hi, this is Robert Spezza, and this is Dr. Tony Blasco. We're going to adjust Robert today. Robert is a college wrestler, and he's in for his usual chiropractic adjustment. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to adjust Robert's cervical spine. I always like to clear the cervical spine first because that allows the rest of the spine to give me a normal reading so that I can look for other subluxations. So that was C5, and now we're going to adjust C2. So the next step is to adjust Robert in the prone posture. We're going to adjust his thoracic and lumbar and sacral area. How I check that is I look at leg length. One leg typically will be shorter on one side where the SI joint is riding up. So I'll check there and then I'll palpate the rest of the spine for subluxation and adjust it accordingly. Okay, so we're going to check Robert's leg length. He has a right short leg. It's short by about a ½ inch. And do what we call a Thompson check to see if it balances out, and it does. So that gives me an idea of the direction of the subluxation. And then we're going to come up and palpate his spine. We're going to lower the table a little bit. We're going to palpate the spine for subluxation. Okay, we're going to adjust this area, which is around T4. Take a deep breath in, Robert, and breathe all the way out for me. Very good. So we got good movement there. And we're going to go down the spine. We're going to come back to that area here in the thoracic area to do an anterior adjustment, but we're going to check the rest of his spine here. Okay, Robert, you're going to lie on your right side for me. And now we're going to do a side posture adjustment to try to correct the misalignment in his sacral area. Okay. I'm just going to roll forward. Very good, awesome. Now, Robert, you're going to sit up for me. You're going to face the wall. And now what we're going to do is an anterior adjustment to his thoracic area. Most subluxations or vertebrae, when they move out of alignment, move posteriorly. So we adjust them, what we call PDA adjustment. Here, it's moving anteriorly, so we're going to move it from an A to P position. So, Robert, you're going to put this arm here, that arm like that. I'm going to lower this headpiece. I'm going to go just below the level that I want to adjust and stabilize that vertebra. Robert, you're going to take a deep breath in, hold it, and lie him down and breathe out for me. Very good. And we get a very good adjustment in there at that level. So that is Robert's adjustment for the day, and we're going to follow up in about a week or two to see how he's doing and advance his health. Thank you very much.